GS1 is mostly known as a standards organization. Often people think of us as the barcode people, but it's even more than that. We're actually, I would say, more like a collaboration platform where brands, solution providers, logistics people, retailers can come together and actually collaborate to determine what's going to work for them in the world of standards and improve their overall efficiencies. So sustainability has been a big one. Connecting to data online and connected data has been another main takeaway, and how solutions can be brought together to actually enable the migration to 2D barcodes at point of sale. And so I think that those are the three main big takeaways, but honestly, the feeling of collaboration has been very strong this year. We really got going strong on the migration to 2D about 3 years ago, and that was the time when we were educating everybody on the why to move to 2D. And in the last couple of years, the solution provider community has really come in and embraced what we're trying to do. And so I think we're now at a point where the solution provider community is ready. So whether it is creating of a digital link QR code or a GS1 data matrix in healthcare, or if it's printing of it or scanning of it or having a complete solution, it's really starting to accelerate. The brands are on board. They're putting their plans together to start adopting or changing their QR codes to be able to use GS1 Digital Link. We've been running along this curve, and now we're starting to get into that real acceleration curve where we're starting to rise and take off, and industry is really getting behind it because they're seeing the return on investment really quickly. And so there's many possible ways that you can print the 2D barcodes, but the fact of the 2D barcodes coming into fruition has actually spurred innovation within the communities. And now at the end, you have to check the quality of the barcodes. So that's part of the process all the way through. Wipotec is maybe positioned interestingly because you're bringing a system, and so when you bring a system, you can now connect other possibilities into the printing of that 2D barcode. You might be putting the expiry date into the product, and so that's an enabler in one transition flow. And also, I know that you do a quality check. So a lot of that capability that Wipotec brings is really interesting to the market because they can see you can demonstrate in one device all the possibilities, and so it's really interesting, and we're really grateful that Wipotec comes to trade shows and participates with us in the global forum.